Welcome to another video of Titans Medical Consulting YouTube channel, where we simplify complex regulatory processes for you. Before a dental device can be sold in India, whether it's an implant, orthodontic bracket, or a dental X-ray machine, it must clear strict regulatory checks. One document plays a central role in this process, the Device Master File or the DMF. What is a DMF? A DMF is a detailed dossier about your dental device. It contains everything the regulator needs to know: its design, safety, performance, manufacturing process, clinical evidence, and more. Think of it as your product's passport into the Indian market. Why is a DMF necessary? In India, medical devices are regulated under the Medical Device Rule 2017 by the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization or CDSCO. If you are a manufacturer or importer, submitting a DMF is mandatory for product registration through the SUGAM portal. Without it, your product won't get regulatory approval, meaning no legal sales in India. The DMF assures the CDSCO that your dental device meets international quality standards like ISO 13485 and complies with India's safety and leveling requirements. How to prepare a DMF for a dental device? Step 1. Collect required documents. Start by gathering all necessary records, your quality management system certificates, product specification, testing reports, risk analysis, and clinical data. Step 2. Structure as per MDR 2017. Organize your DMF following the Medical Device Rules 2017. Key sections include administrative details of manufacturer or importer, device description and intended use, manufacturing process and quality checks, essential principles checklist, risk analysis and clinical evaluation, labeling and packaging details, ISO 13485 certification proof. Step 3. Address dental device specifics. For dental implants include mechanical and biocompatibility test. For orthodontic appliances, add materials safety testing. For dental X-rays, include radiation safety and performance validation. Step 4. Submit via SUGAM portal. Upload the DMF in the required PDF format, ensure digital signatures, pay the applicable fees, and track your application online. We can conclude that a well-prepared DMF is more than a formality. It's a proof that your device is safe, high quality, and ready for India. By following CDSCO guidelines and keeping your DMF updated, you can ensure smooth approval and long-term market access. For more such videos, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. You will get more such insightful videos from our channel.